Cześć przyjaciele, hi friends, welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I want to take you on a trip to Krakow and show you how to make those beautiful obwarzanki or pretzle, or in English bagels, that are sold everywhere on Krakow streets. They're delicious, they're easy to make, and they do not have much sugar. So let's start.
To make obwarzanki, you're gonna need first mix all the ingredients, then knead the dough. Later we're gonna boil them, and at the end we're gonna cover them with some toppings like poppy and then bake them.
So first thing you want to do is mix milk, 100 milliliters, with 100 milliliters of hot water. That should give us a warm liquid that we're gonna put in our dry yeast. We're also gonna add a pinch of sugar and then mix it and let it sit like that for 15-20 minutes. After about 15 minutes, my yeast grew. You can see those lovely bubbles, and what I'm gonna do is add the yeast into my mixture of flour, eggs and salt.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about the dry ingredients, so let's back up and prepare the dry ingredients with butter while the yeast is getting ready.
So here is flour. I'm gonna add 100 grams of butter, a half a teaspoon of salt,
And the ready yeast.
and I'm just gonna fold it in and then start kneading my dough.
When the dough is ready, let it rest for about 30 minutes. Then cut it into 4 pieces. Those ingredients are enough for 4 different bagels, obwarzanki. And then start rolling it out to a length of about 30 centimeters. Then take 2 ends and twist them, and then attach the ends very well with each other so they don't split while boiling. Prepare a hot water and boil them for 2 to 3 minutes, and then let them rest. For beautiful colors on bagels, prepare some egg wash and put it on top of them. Top them with your favorite topping. For me are sesame seeds, poppy seeds, and salt with some rosemary. Bake them for 20 minutes in 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Those are just perfect, and who does not like fresh bread? Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for obwarzanki that is perfect as a snack, but also as a base for a sandwich. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. SMACZNEGO, and thank you. Bye bye!